Every single minute of the day, a modern enterprise processes an absolutely overwhelming volume of raw transaction data. In the SAP billing ecosystem, the foundational unit of all this data is the billable item, or bit. For a company like Telecom One, a single phone call or a single megabyte of data downloaded generates its own distinct bit. A single customer can easily rack up thousands of bits in a month. Dumping them directly onto a page creates an unreadable 100-page bill. Adding to that chaos, some records are under dispute, others belong to different products or haven't reached their billing date. To turn this sea of raw transaction data into a clean, accurate invoice, SAP Convergent Invoicing relies on a strict, automated, 3-stage data funnel. The first stage of that funnel is selection. This step answers the fundamental question of what exactly the system should bill right now. This is managed by the selection variant. Think of it as a programmatic filter scanning the database for items meeting specific criteria. Its primary rule is simple. It selects only items holding a billable status, actively rejecting anything marked raw or accepted. We can configure this selection process to be even more precise, isolating items based on specific billing dates or distinct business units to narrow the funnel exactly how we want. Selection acts as the gatekeeper. It ensures that premature, incomplete, or disputed data never enters the billing cycle. With the bad data filtered out, the second stage is grouping. This takes the surviving items and asks where they belong by assigning them to physical documents. By default, the system automatically groups items together if they share the same contract account, business partner, and subprocess. Large enterprises need custom rules, configured here in the SAP GUI via a grouping variant. At the top, we assign bit type as the primary characteristic. Looking below, we see Internet Data Charges, DAT1 and DAT2, are strictly separated from telecom services, TEL1 and TEL2. Once the data is sorted by these rules, each distinct pile of records officially becomes a billing unit. Grouping provides the architectural structure of the final invoice, ensuring that entirely different revenue streams are routed to the correct paperwork for the exact same customer. The final stage of the funnel is aggregation. This step looks inside a single billing unit and determines how those items will actually be displayed on the page. A single billing unit could still contain thousands of microtransactions. Without aggregation, you'd print a separate line for every single email downloaded. We apply an aggregation variant. This mathematically links identical items together, compressing them into a single billing document item. Instead of displaying 500 call records, the invoice prints one clean, summarized line. Voice calls, 500 minutes, $50. Aggregation translates chaotic database volume into a comprehensible, professional customer bill. Stepping back, we can see the complete transformation. The chaotic sea of raw billable items has been refined into precise, optimized billing documents. Selection dictates what enters the billing process. Grouping dictates where the data is sorted, and aggregation dictates how the data is displayed to the user. These finalized billing documents are now ready to be sent to the formal invoicing process, and ultimately posted to financial contract accounting. By configuring these 3 sequential variants, administrators achieve total automated control over the most complex enterprise revenue streams.